Do you want your Twitter account to get more visibility, engagement, and interactions automatically? Imagine if you could comment on hundreds of posts every day without spending hours on your phone. Hello everyone, I'm Hoang MamBa Tools. Today, I'll show you how the auto-comment feature of MKTX can transform your growth on Twitter. That's why the auto-comment post feature inside MKTX is a game changer. It lets your account, or even multiple accounts, automatically comment on targeted posts, trending posts, competitor posts, or hashtag posts 24/7. Here's what MKTX auto-comment can do. Comment on any specific post link. Comment on multiple posts using a list of URLs. Auto-comment on trending posts and selected hashtags. Auto-spin comments to avoid duplication. Support text, emoji, tag, and keyword-based comments. Run unlimited accounts at the same time. Set delay, schedule, and intervals to look natural. Perfect for warming up accounts and boosting engagement. With auto-comment, your Twitter account becomes active, visible, and constantly interacting with your audience. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Open MKTX. Step 2. Go to Comment Post function. Step 3. Paste the post URL or upload multiple URLs. Step 4. Choose what content comment you want to run. Step 5. Choose how many accounts you want to run. Step 6. Set delay and behavior patterns. Step 7. Click Start. Now watch as MKTX automatically posts your comments across Twitter in a natural, human-like pattern. This feature is perfect for personal brands who want attention, affiliate marketers promoting products, business owners building awareness, agencies managing client accounts, crypto or KOL accounts who need visibility, anyone warming up new Twitter accounts. Comments equals exposure. Exposure equals growth. With auto-comment, you get higher visibility on trending posts, daily engagement without the manual effort, more profile visits, faster growth for new accounts, stronger impression on algorithm, better conversions if you're promoting products, unlimited automation across unlimited accounts. This is one of the fastest ways to grow organically on X. And yes, this feature is safe. MKTX uses real browser simulation, human-like delays, and randomized behavior. No API abuse, no spam patterns, and no risky automation techniques. It behaves exactly like a real person commenting. If you want to boost your visibility, increase engagement, and grow your Twitter presence on autopilot, then the MKTX auto-comment feature is exactly what you need. Click the link in the description to get your demo today, or message me on Telegram or WhatsApp for installation support. I'm Hoang MamBa Tools. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more marketing automation videos. See you in the next one.